Hello guys, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that screen timeout is a setting on your smartphone that determines how long the screen will stay on after you stop using it. For example, if you are reading an article on your phone and you stop scrolling, and then the screen timeout will determine how long the screen will stay on before it turns off. Many people set their screen timeout to a very short duration, such as 15 seconds, which can be too short for some tasks. And this can be frustrating as the screen will turn off before you've had a chance to complete your task, like finishing a text message or typing an email. So now I'm gonna show you how to adjust your screen timeout settings on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, to adjust the screen timeout, the first way that you have to do is go to settings menu, and then you can scroll down and then go to display and brightness, and then you can scroll down again and go to screen timeout. So here you can adjust about 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute or 10 minutes. You can adjust the screen timeout as required or as you need. Here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.